Good morning, friends. This is Triyarsha from Crazy Money Street. This is 20th January, and let's see what's happening in the market, what happened yesterday, and what is going to happen today, how it worked in the US, Indian, and the European market, and what is going to happen today. So, let's understand that. If you are still not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead, like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. Let's get started, guys. So, what happened yesterday? I told you if we can hold on 13,300 for the first 1 hour, very likely that we may see a bounce towards 14,450 or 500. That's exactly what happened yesterday, and right now we are at a important resistance again. Let's see this option chain which is going to expire tomorrow. 14,500 600 are going to act as a very strong resistance at this place. So now yesterday whatever data has happened, it has actually given a confused kind of a signal, so showing that the bulls are still intact, but I would consider this more as a pullback rally because if I have to look at the FII data and the DI data, it's not that great, so the volumes are not that much. Whatever has happened is more from the retail investors, and this is more of a short covering which doesn't have much strength. So if it has to have strength, it has to have continued buy, which means that we need to hold on to 14,500 for today. If we can hold on, then probably there is some hope, but if it is not going to happen, then probably we are more likely to go down. So what is very important is at the higher levels right now at the place we are, 14,500 550 is going to act as a very important support. So from the trading perspective, it makes more sense on the shorting than on the buying for today. And 14,400 if it breaks, then actually it confirms that the bears are still having an upper hand and they are going to take the prices down. But if bulls are going to remain here, then they need to actually hold on to 14,500 level. So either we are going to be in the range of 14,400 to 600 for some more time, or we are going to break down. As long as we break day before yesterday's low of 14,250, that is going to show more strength of the bears, and that could actually take the prices down. So we need to be extra cautious at this point of time. US market might have moved higher. After that happening, we have not seen anything change in the future. So what we can see is in fact the futures have closed yesterday on the negative side, though US market had actually been on the upside. So that shows that the higher levels there is a lot of resistance, and it's not easy for the markets to go higher from here. So probably today, looking at the futures, we may start flat to negative is what I can see. And if we cannot hold on to the levels and we start going down, there is, and we break 14,400, there could be a much bigger sell off which is possible. So be very careful, don't get stuck with your long positions. Long positions better to be unwinded. I've been reminding you this from quite a long time. If I have to look at the weekly data, is clearly bearish. It's only the daily data, especially the yesterday's trading, which is a little on the positive side. Otherwise overall market is looking weaker, it's not looking that strong which it had. Now if we break, I think the breakdown will be much more severe. So be very careful. Even on the bank nifty, 32,000 level has to hold. If 32,000 level is not going to be holding right now at 32,500 600 700, all these are going to be a very strong resistance, and these are going to only push the prices down. So be very careful on nifty and bank nifty, and probably all the other stocks which are moved up yesterday. It's more important that they sustain. If they can sustain, great. Otherwise there's a lot of challenge which I can see in the days to come. This weekend, which is 22nd, we have a lot of companies results coming in. Some of the major companies like Reliance result is there, Wipro result is there, JSW Steel result is there, and many more companies results are there on this Friday. And if we are going to go up or down. All depends on whether we can hold 14,500 for today. Is something which is something we have to closely watch. If we can hold on to 14,500, probably we can actually move towards the 15,000 level also. If we cannot hold this, then probably it can only start triggering a sell off from here. So based on that, you need to look at how things are going to get traded, because overall the global markets, US and the European markets, are not looking that great. Though US market has moved up yesterday, it is more because of a sentimental value. Again, I see more retail investors getting stuck. It's not the major companies which have actually moved up, only few companies here and there that manipulation is actually happening there of the stocks. So be very very careful with the current positions. Now for us to go up, we need to hold 14,500. That is very important. Breaking of 14,400 is going to show us that we may go down, and breaking 14,250 is going to confirm that we are going to go down. So till then probably we may still be sideways, and that's how you need to look at the market, and you need to look at the trade for this week, that is today and tomorrow. Very unlikely that we will bears will allow it to pass 14,500. 550 is going to act as very strong resistance, which I can see at this point of time. So based on that, you can actually look at taking any kind of trading decisions, guys. And let's look at what is happening in the commodity sector. So in the commodity sector, one second. The commodity sector, it is the same. It is trying to be flat, the gold and silver. Now they are trying to hold on to the levels. So as long as they can hold on and they can actually move higher, probably gold silver may move higher. This mainly because of the stimulus and Joe Biden and all. If we fail to hold these levels, then this is possible for coming down also. Crude oil, again because of the Biden, this is actually moved up. So today after he joins, will it be a sell on rallies, is something which we have to wait and watch. And cryptocurrency, I have told you 34,000 is a very important level. If we break 34,000, probably the sell off can increase, intensify. So overall what we can see is most of the places wherever we have moved up euphoria highs, we may see some correction happening in the coming days. So it's better to be on the safer side than be sorry. So if you are liking the information I am sharing, go ahead, like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. If you are not a part of my Telegram channel, go and search for Crazy Money and join the channel. Thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day.